Good day, friends. Paul here. More and more of us are using rechargeable devices like battery power packs of different sizes, Bluetooth speakers, and of course, our cell phones. Now, use a short cord. Use the shortest cord possible given your application, micro USB here, or whatever kind of connection you're using, but micro USB is very common. And the Class 2, or is it Class C, high charging devices on some of the more premium flagship phones have high speed charging with a different connector. Either way, use the shortest cords possible for the least resistance between your charging source, the wall outlet, and your device. These are very convenient to pick up. Now, of course, charging also depends on the wire diameter inside there. So get well-reviewed quality cables. I get mine on eBay and I just read reviews. But go with something like that rather than the traditional stuff that comes with your phone, for example. Unless you just need the extra reach while you're using your phone. Many people say not to use your device while it's being charged, but I use my phone all the time when it's being charged, and I have done so for years. And I think I've had to replace one battery on an old phone. Post your comments below about your experiences with different size cables or any questions you might have about charging devices. And thanks for watching.